Gaano ka-rich si Rei? Hehe.
Ganon si Anne sa akin. Tapos it was so bad na lumabas yung skin ko. We were in Hong Kong. Magsayo nila kuya. You pulled my hair. Yeah, she helps me become a more aware person. But there was this one time, this bitch decided to wear my private. Anong feeling maging ate ako? Like, that's so annoying. Yes! Today's video, we're gonna be trying something different. Hindi tayo maganda today. We will be cooking churros, as you can see from the title. I'll be cooking with my sister. So my sister, she's been cooking and baking a lot. It's actually the first time that I'm joining her. So, na-realize kasi namin na we have a lot of cravings. But not everything is easy to source. So we decided to do this and share this with you because this one is super easy. Things you probably have at home already. If not, it's very easy to source in your local supermarket or your grocery. So, as we cook, we will be answering your questions. Mickey is there behind the camera. Say hi!
Ba't kasi kailangan mo magsalita?
Just say hi! So, you will be answering questions. Okay? Bilis na! Ano ba to? Okay, so first step, we will be combining. Are we supposed to open this? Wait.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna open it. 1 cup of water. What's that?
3 tablespoons butter. 1.5 tablespoons sugar.
1 teaspoon of salt. And then we're just gonna mix this. Oh, nakita ko siya
Hindi,
since.
okay lang. Andal mo na yung butter.
Shoot us a question.
Okay, favorite childhood memory together?
I feel like mine would be all of our Fontana days. Because when we were kids, we used to spend a lot of time in Fontana. It's like, what is it? It's a resort in Pampanga.
Yung indoor park.
Oh, Dreamscape. So yeah, we used to spend a lot of time in Dreamscape. Saan ba yun? Parang nasa isang,
Basta sa Quezon City.
in a Robinson's Mall, pero matagal na siyang wala. Pero like indoor, may mga roller coaster and all. So, ayun.
Next question. What's your age gap with Anne?
4 years yung age gap namin. So, it's a little bit... 5 ba?
You're technically gonna grow old.
Ano? Wala ba? Ikaw din,
I
sis.
think hindi ka, nag-birthday na kasi ako this year. Ikaw hindi ka.
Okay. 5 years yung age gap namin. So, medyo malaki talaga yung age gap namin ni Anne. Added vanilla extract and flour.
Sino po ang pinakamarunong magluto sa inyong dalawa? Pa-shoutout na din po Ate Rei. Ang name niya is Princess B. Cute Love.
Hi, Princess. Who's magaling in cooking? Yeah, si Anne. Yeah, puro chicken yung
Korean chicken flavor.
Yeah. Tapos, she did tonkatsu as well. Yeah, she likes to experiment. Mostly yung mga Korean food.
Gaano ka-rich si Rei? Hehe.
Rich enough to buy me shit I want.
I'm not rich. I'm just earning enough to be able to buy the things I need and to support my sister's luho.
Hi Ate Rei, I just want to ask, how does Ate Anne feel towards your success?
How do you feel about it, sis? I don't want to say that I'm successful, but like, success kasi is defined differently sa iba-ibang tao. But so, how do you feel about me doing something in my life?
You're doing what you like and earning a lot at the same time.
Yeah. I will always be thankful for that because a lot of people are passionate about something and I know that not everyone can make a living out of it. So I will always be thankful and I will always feel grateful for you guys na I'm able to do something that I like. So thank you guys. Okay, I'm gonna transfer it now. So
Na-try niyo ba magsabunutan noong bata po kayo? Hey,
I don't have money.
just a typical mag-ate fight as a kid.
So, naalala ko yung lumalabas sa Facebook ko.
like, di ba when you do that, meron like ganun si Anne sa akin. Tapos it was so bad na lumabas yung skin ko. And yeah, when we were in Hong Kong, she pulled my hair habang nasa streets kami. Ba't mo nga ba ginawa yun, sis?
I don't remember that.
You don't remember that? It's just walking, casually walk. Hinatak niya yung buhok ko, so I ran after her and smacked the shit out of her head. So I'm gonna add the egg while you put the oil. Ay! add egg.
Why is your little sister mean to you, Ate Rei? Haha, love you.
Kung tao ako yung masama, hindi mo pinapakita yung other side.
Well, Anne is moody. Like, she's very, very moody. She could be clingy at times, but she's prax. So yeah, pero hindi naman siya mean na tao. Like, to be honest, she helped me to become a better version of myself.
Sabi mo, problematic ka na.
Yeah, my sister said I used to be problematic. When Anna was growing up, the world is becoming more woke. And also her environment shaped her into the woman that she is now. So she's very intellectual and she knows a lot of things. And yeah, there are some things that I don't know and she teaches me those things. So yeah, she helps me become a more aware person. Educated.
The mixture.
Oh, it says that the mixture should resemble a gooey mashed potato. I think we were able to achieve it. And we're also heating up the oil right now. And the next step, girl, hindi ka nakita. The next step is to choose which Avenger character will we use or Ziploc. Sayang.
Someone's calling me.
Piping bag, Keme.
Yeah.
You can use that. That's actually the one you're supposed to use. But we don't have it, so we have to improvise. We're using a Ziploc. If you don't have a Ziploc, any plastic would do. So, we will be transferring now the shoe pastry.
Okay. Ito, guys, magandang tanong. Nag-aaway po ba kayo ni Anne sa damit?
Yeah.
Feeling siguro na hindi ko
Feeling niya siguro. Feeling niya daw hindi kasi feeling niya hindi kasha kay Anne. But yeah, we borrow each other's clothes. Rule lang namin ni Anne is, kung sino yung bumili, siya dapat yung maunang gumamit. And then after that, pwede nang manghiram yung isang person. But there was this one time, this bitch decided to wear my privé shit.
Girl who influenced to buy Privado. Picture ng sino ba ko na?
Oo nga pala!
Like a fool!
Yeah, she wore it a bit, but I was so mad. We were in Korea, Vlogmas. Hinubad niya din. Nagilty ka, te? Nagilty ka?
Grabe, ang ganda pa daw ng idea ko ng outfit ko.
Too bad. We are going to cut the tip. Cut the tip. Sis, hindi naman yan yung scissors. Ayun.
Anong feeling magkaroon ng ate katulad ni Rei Germar? Sana po manotice eh.
Anong feeling maging ate ako, sis?
Like, that's so annoying. Hindi pa ako tapos. Kasi naman, alam mo yun, we talk before or we're friends. Kasi approach mo ako about something for you, okay lang. Pero may ibang tao, hindi ko siya nalala, may email ka naman, ba't ako pa yung kailangan? Eh, nakakainis lang. O, sas, wala naman, hindi niya na, wala. Okay lang.
Baka misunderstand nyo na naman si Anne. Her only dilemma is that people are reaching out to her to message me. Wala ka bang positive na masabi? Putik.
I mean, okay siya kasi...
You use my platform to share things for you, sis?
Oo, yun. Nananalo kami sa contest. Ang ginagawa ko, pag may gusto kong i-share... Yes!
Nabutas!
Gawa natin double. Pag may gusto kong i-share, like something important.
Yeah. Like, but it's always for the good. Yeah. Wala na ibang positive.
Ano, nakakuha ko ng... Shoutout.
Next question, guys.
Free concert daw.
Next question. Favorite K-pop group po ni Anne?
EXO. That's her favorite. Hina. Wow, sis, mga taas niyan. And you wait until it's golden brown.
What's your favorite thing to do with your sister?
Eating. We eat a lot. We like to try a lot of food. And shopping. Dun kaming lahat nagkakasundo. Except for Kuya. Me, Anne, and Dico, that's our favorite thing to do.
Sino po ang spoiled?
Si Anne, definitely.
That's because you have money, I don't want you. It's an accident, ate.
No, Anne is spoiled kasi she's the bunso. And Rian was born in this house already. So she didn't experience any kahirapan. Compared to my brothers, they experienced yung my parents were just starting out. My sister, she didn't experience that. Girl, ang lala, ang sakit talaga. Okay, so guys, we decided to reshape it kasi mukha po silang fishball. And you can really smell it. Sobrang bango niya. So we decided to make them smaller. We're just gonna make churros bites. Tokboki. Mukha daw tokboki. And make sure your oil is enough para makapag-deep fry kayo. Here, we just mixed 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Ito yung cinnamon namin, yung normal lang, yung McCormick. Yan. And Rhian's gonna make a chocolate dip. Hershey's milk chocolate, and then she's gonna melt it lang sa microwave. So, ayan. Pag na-find out ko na siya dito, I'm just gonna deep fry.
Okay, question. Who's acting like a baby when sick?
Anne! Oh my God, Anne!
Mom! I know that.
Parang feeling niya ata, doktor yung nanay ko. Parang gagaling siya pag nakita niya yung nanay ko. Oh, by the way, a lot of people are asking kung sino si Rayjon. I think I have answered this a million times. Rayjon is my nephew. Anak siya ni Kuya.
Ito po. Hi Ate Ray, kailan ka po kaya mawawalan ng story sa IG? I love you.
And IG stories is also my way na parang pag-update sa inyo when I'm not vlogging. And you can skip it any time of the day if you feel like I'm way too talkative. But thank you to all of my families who watches my IG stories. Natatawa kayo kay Miggy. So after that, pwede nyo nang i-roll ang inyong churros sa cinnamon and sugar mixture. Say hi, Bowie! Hi, Popo! Wee, wee, wee.
What do you love the most about your sister? Please say hi to us. Monserrate sisters from Kamsur.
Hello, sisters from Kamsur. What do you love most about me? Maybe I like her views in life, and she stands for other people. Like, she speaks up for those who can, and she stands by, ano tamang grammar? Stands by her views. Like, hindi mo siya mabibili. Parang gano'n. Kahit sino pang kausap niya, may it be my parents, my siblings, if she thinks it's wrong, she's gonna tell you it's wrong. Wala ka man lang masabing maganda sa akin, te.
Wala siyang filter sa mukha. Like,
That's so nice!
yung fact na you can say what you want to say. You get me? Like, kapag kumakain, hindi ko na yung lagi nagsasalita. Ilang beses mo kukwento yung isang bagay.
So how is that nice? Because you can say what you want to say. Like, wala kang filter, wala kang pake.
Eh, kanina, sabi ko sa'yo, ano ba yan?
And sa mga times na na-feeling ko, I have to speak up. And yung factor na alam kong may mga taong mag-hate sa akin, for that, won't stop me. As long as alam ko na yung sasabihin ko is beneficial for the majority of the people. Patayo.
Ano pong gamit ng shampoo for dogs?
Jones.
Umalis ka na, te! Baka mamaya maano mo pa yan sa akin. Actually, hindi na Ate, ano bang shampoo nila? Iba-iba.
Kung ano na available, wala
Yeah.
akong susi.
So, ito po yung mukhang hotdog. Yung pang-party na hotdog. Ayan. Ayan po sila.
Shanghai roll, God.
Shanghai. Uy guys, masarap siya, promise. Hindi lang siya ganun ka-appealing. Pero okay, let us try.
Go! Go!
Told you.
Go!
Tingnan niyo yung crunch, ha? So, it's crunchy sa outside, but really parang chewy sa inside. Para kaya masarap siya.
Oh.
Let's try it with Anne's melted chocolate. Sister, don't say that.
You're literally at ng Hershey siya. I'm warning you right now.
Okay.
Literally Hershey's.
Sarap. Parang masasarap ito.
Cinnamon in this. Wow. That is it for our messy cooking 101. It's not very appealing sa eyes, but trust me, it's very easy to make. Super konting ingredients, but it's good. It's a dessert for everyone. Yum. Love it. Comment down below guys want us to try in the second episode of Messy Cooking 101 with Rei and... Yung pakita nakakaya.
Messy ko ka na eh.
Messy Cooking.
Wait, I'll show you.
Messy Cooking 101 with Rei and...
Ray.